Hey guys, this is question FM94 of the Further Maths Sharpened Study Guide. Jumping straight in. The resale values in dollars and age of the sneakers in months were recorded after 20 individuals sold their $200 sneakers within a year of buying them. The values are given in the table below and a scatter plot has been constructed from the data set. So here is our table over here and there's our scatter plot. Underneath, the relationship between months and dollars shown in the scatter plot above is non-linear. So we can see that by this sort of curving happening here. A log transformation can be applied to the independent variable. So I'll have to fix that. We've obviously written that part wrong. That should be explanatory variable. Months to linearize the data in the scatter plot. Apply the log transformation to the variable months and determine the equation of the least squares regression line that allows dollars to be predicted from months. In the boxes provided, write the coefficients for this equation correct one decimal place. So that's question A there, applying the log transformation to months and then determining the equation of the least squares regression line. So to show you guys how to do that, I've got my calculator here. Now over here we have the resale value in dollars on the left. In this column here we have how many months after buying them they sold them. So if we head over here, we're going to make a third column, and I've called mine log months just to sort of make it easy for me to remember, okay, this is my month value log, but they want a log transformation applied to the explanatory variable, which is months. And this is how we do that. So we get our log, and now underneath we've got like our title column, and then underneath we have room to put in a formula equation for what this column is going to add up to. That'll make more sense in a second if you don't quite understand. We whack in an equal sign. So log months is equal to log base 10. We always use base 10 when we're applying log transformations in further math. And then we're going to put in the variable months. There. Once we hit enter, it's going to spit out these answers for us. So now we've got new values for months instead of having the old ones. And hopefully that's going to linearize our plot a bit. So Control I, head down to data and statistics. We've got this page here. Now my y-axis is going to be my resale. And then my x-axis, sorry I keep hovering out, is going to be my log months. Not my months, my log months, because I've applied the transformation. Once I hit that, now that data looks a bit more linear than the one we have in our plot down there, so that's really quite curved. Now we're looking at much more linear data. So to find that regression line, we head down here, analyze, regression, show linear a plus bx, and that's going to whack us in a regression line there. Now it wants us to write the coefficients for this equation correct to one decimal place. So as you can see there, we've got a few decimal places there. Let's write that out. So we've got here for question A, dollars is equal to, over here we have 66.049, which is going to be the same as, well, it's going to round to 66.0 minus, and we have, because we have plus minus on these calculators, so that just ends up being a minus 59.25, which is going to end up being 59.3 times our log base 10. So I'm running out of room here of months. I'm just going to leave it like that. So these two, our 66 and our 59, are going to go in these two boxes here, and that's that question there. Question B. Question B says, use this equation to predict the resale amount of a $200 pair of sneakers that are sold 5 months after they are bought. Write your answer correct to the nearest dollar. So once again, we're going to use this equation that we just found before. So we're going to use dollars, because that's what we're trying to find. So the resale value. Sorry, I should have dollars marked as resale, but you get the idea. So dollars equals 66.0 minus 59.3 times log base 10. And in here we're going to put our month though. So these ones are sold 5 months after they're bought. So we're going to put in 5. Now once you calculate this all out, you're going to get a value along the lines of 24.5511, something like that, which means that we round this to the nearest dollar. We're going to get a resale value or a dollar value of $25. Guys, that's question FM94. If you have any questions about that problem, please drop them in the comments below or head over to our Facebook page, Triumph Tutoring, send us a message, post on the page, and someone will give you a hand. Thanks for watching.